Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to test internet speed in Windows in a very simple way. What you can do, just simply go for any of your favorite browser, and from here you can search any of there are lots of internet testing app or browser. So we will going for the most popular fast.com. If you just simply click on the fast, and you can see you're redirect to the fast website, and you can see that is my internet speed. You can also go for Okla, and from here you can also test the Okla speed test. If you click on that, then go for go. It's quite a lengthy process. Sometimes it's take a lot of time, but most recommended and the most popular is fast, and it will always give you the right now, right moment internet speed in your computer. So this is how you can check or test your computer internet speed. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.